Hey guys, this is a review of these Bluetooth work headphones. I would power these on or show you how that works, but last time I tried that, it just turned on Siri and stopped my video from recording. But all in all, super easy to use. You power it up, it tells you the battery level high, medium, low, and then pairing, connecting, and you're good to go. You can move forward or back through your songs, whatever you're listening to. You can use this to actually trigger Siri on your phone if you want. And it's rechargeable by USB C. You can also run a direct line with a 3.5 millimeter or 1/8 inch jack. The ear pads are comfortable. They're textured so they don't get quite as hot as maybe just a smooth surface would. They block out noise very well. I use these for mowing and have no trouble hearing while I'm doing that, and they sound pretty decent as well. So I think this is a great option for a set of Bluetooth work headphones. I've been very pleased with these.